Hey everybody, this is Brad from the Stock and Options Room here at the ShadowTrader.net Live Trading Suite. And the stock I wanted to talk today about is Intel. And basically, know when to hold them, know when to fold them. Now, as many of you know, Intel has been doing a lot of nothing for a very, very long time until the beginning of February. There was some news that both Taiwan Semi and Broadcom could be interested in partnering up in especially some of their foundry business, the chip manufacturing business, and the stock finally started taking off. And let me zoom in here, but we started buying, and this was talked about in the room, but started buying Intel right here. And the first buy was February 11th. All right, we bought some at $20.75. We bought more at $21.10. And then I like to add to winners. So I bought more here on the 12th. I bought more on the 13th. And then I even bought more here on the 18th. And I was more than happy to do that. So my lowest trade was $20.75. And my highest fill was $25.70. Okay. Now, I'm not sitting here telling you this, look at my, trade entry here after the fact. Obviously, these calls are live in the room. But the point is, and the whole reason for this video is know when to hold them, know when to fold them. Now, when the stock, peaked here on the 18th, obviously things were looking great, right? Didn't have a care in the world. Stock looked pretty good. But then there was some profit taking, 19th, 20th, 21st, and then there was a gap down on the 24th. And it was right there, by the way, that I started to sell some upside calls for Friday's expiry. Obviously, last Friday, the 28th, I sold an upside call at the 26th strike and collected 23 cents because, again, when I saw the pullback, I figured I want to take in a little bit more money to lower my basis, blah, blah, blah. All right, so that's even another separate issue and discussion. But really what I wanted to talk about is know when to hold them, know when to fold them, the 21-day MA, right? And we here at Shadow Trader use the 8 and the 21 exponential moving averages. The yellow dashed line is the 8. The solid green is the 21. And when it first came down here last week, I was like, oh boy, what do I do? Do I get out? Do I sell? Or do I hold? And basically, because it held the 21-day MA, that's why I held. So a couple things. Number one, we had really good trade location. Obviously, the last piece at 25.70 was up here. My basis right now is around 22.5, which is still, very good, all things considered. But the fact that it held the 21-day MA and it wasn't negative on me, that's why I was able to hold. So sometimes, being patient and holding through pullbacks, not that they're ever easy, they're totally a pain because, you've got obviously this huge move that we saw, then all of a sudden they take it back. And what was a very, very healthy $5, $6 gain all of a sudden turned into a 50-cent gain, basically. And that's not easy to take. But again, we're here talking about technical support at the 21-day MA. Allows you to stay firm in your position and hold, looking for the rebound. Now, today, obviously, the stock gap. Today's Monday, obviously, the 3rd of March. There was some other news, big deal. But the point is, folks, if the stock hit the 21 and closed below it, then I would have gotten out. That's the point, right? So the point is, know when to hold them, know when to fold them. And by the way, whether that's a 21-day MA, whether it's a gap, whether it's a Fibonacci retracement, there are multiple things that you should be using as traders to try to hold on to a winning trade. All right. So anyway, I hope it helps. That's about it. I hope to see you in the room and take care. See you soon. Peace.
Hey everybody, this is Brad Agonis with ShadowTrader.net. Thank you for taking the time to watch this short video. If you like what you saw, hit the like and subscribe button below. Also, you can check us out, ShadowTrader.net/squawk. And if you want to trade live with myself or any of the other ShadowTrader moderators, sign up, give us a try. Take care, good luck trading, and see you soon.